Hey guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. Today we're going to take a look at Polkadot and do some price analysis, sitting below that level of resistance now. So we'll have a look at a couple of things, some levels where we could potentially buy, and then some levels where we could sell or accumulate. So jumping straight into the charts, as we can see here, that like I said, we're sat below that level of resistance at around $23.50. And on the bigger picture, things are looking not too bad. We're still in that uptrend, even though we've had a massive peak followed by a horrific drop. And same again, it's happened twice. Bitcoin pretty much looks the same as well. It's not too bad. We're still trending up from this line. We had 3 touches. We just have to be wary that there's always that possibility we could come down and retest that trend again. But I think the markets are starting to spin around now. We do know that Terra Luna's starting to fire a load of money into Bitcoin to use it as a stable reserve. So things are going to start pushing on. There's a lot of adoption happening. And price action is not really where it should be, in my opinion. I think we should be way, way up here. And that's not just for Polkadot, that's for most other assets. So let's have a look at things from a daily time frame perspective. We'll just put the moving averages on to start. And we have a bullish cross now, which is usually a great long-term indicator. For me, it rarely happens, these bullish or bearish crosses. As you can see, we had a bearish cross back in November. And that's pretty much been 4 months of downward pressure. Bullish cross price out was in August, so every maybe 5 to 6 months we are getting these crossovers at current on this current cycle, and so far not too bad. I really think we're going to start to push on soon. We need to break through this level of resistance. So it's a clear level of resistance right back to here, back to 14th of February 2021. So that's well over a year's worth of data there, and things aren't looking too bad. Like I say, I just want to have a look at a bit of a bearish scenario for this and have a look at the entire move. So we'll go right from the bottom here all the way to the top, and you can see we've hit that level and we are starting to retrace. I think if you're looking for buys and we do get another market shakeout, there is a potential that will come down and either retest these moving averages or at least test this 382 level. We have actually broken out, what we're looking for, I should say, is breaking above that 50, and that's exactly what we've done, but we've not retested it yet. So just be wary, we could come down, we could retest this moving average 50 here, so that's around $20. And I mean, look at that, that 382 level is pretty much within that same area. So if we do get a shakeout, because remember, things can't just keep going up and up and up, you must get pullbacks at some stage. There is that possibility that you could look to get some orders filled at around $20. It's a nice psychological area, and it's also a nice technical area where you will be testing those moving averages and also testing that 382 level. So that is the levels to buy. I think if we did get a nasty shakeout, I don't think we'd get any closures below this in terms of daily candles. We could potentially get a wick down to $17. That is always a scenario, so that is a bearish one. If we do get a flash crash, we could come down, pick liquidity up, all this trading area around here, and then really start to push on. So that's a bearish case. I'm more in favour of bullish price action, but remember, things they do retrace at times, and you can see that with Zilliqa, that's mooned all the way up. And it is starting to get quite a hefty pullback just due to profit taking. So that's levels to buy. I wouldn't consider any buy orders below that $17 mark, to be honest. I think the market is just starting to really swing back to the upside now. Levels to break through is obviously this one here. We actually went up to 23.83 and rejected. You can see the closures are below this. I've had this marked up. I think it's a weekly level of resistance, and that's what we really need to flip. So once you start getting back above 23.42, there's one major level which I've highlighted here in this green zone at $27, $28. I think that's a massive area where we should be looking to take profit. Get rid of them 50 and 20 now. I'll just highlight that was a major level of resistance here. Same again here, major support. And you can see lots of wicks what bounce off this area, and it's a nice level there. So I think if you're looking for profit, that's going to be that first region at $28. But you can also use its fib, so 26, 29, and maybe 2 to 3 orders within that area. And we've also got this wick here where you probably would see quite a little decent chunk of profit taken up at $33. So if you're looking to scale out, or even if you're looking to just take some profit, if you've managed to buy down at this wick here, then I think that level up here, probably from $32 all the way down to 28, I think it should be that level where you could be taking some significant profit off the table. Looking at RSI, we've got plenty of room to grow, to be honest. We've had a nice trickle up here, and we're not even towards overbought territory around here, so I'd expect that we've got plenty of room to grow if the market did really start to churn to the upside. So that's that pretty much covered, really. I mean, let's just have a look at the 200 daily moving average. Yeah, we need to get back above there, really. We need to get back above that $29.30 mark. And I think once we do get back above there, price action will really start to look good. Look at lighting on my camera. Horrific. Need to get a light in here. But yeah, price action, we are starting to build up some momentum now. The markets do look a little bit bleak today, but Mondays are notoriously not the best day for trading crypto, not the best day really for general market analysis, even legacy market. So we have to take that for what it is. I just want to finish off by taking a look at a BTC pair, in which again it's kind of following the dollar pair up on the daily time frame here. We're just getting a nice trickle up. I'm guessing we've had a crossover on the moving averages. Yeah, it's lagging behind the dollar pair a little bit, to be honest. Got that bullish cross now. And hopefully if the dollar pair does start to push up, we'll start to see some nice growth. This is an area where you'd be taking profit around 5,000 Satoshis. But just beware it. If the market did get a shakeout and price action on Bitcoin really started to push forward and alts stay at that level, sometimes the Satoshi pairs can really start to lag behind and even drop off in price. So if we're looking for some buys in Satoshi pairs, I'd look to start targeting here, 4,600, and I'd target all the way down to here to around 4,250 Satoshis. I think that could be a decent level for you to look at if the price did continue to drop. But all in all, that's just some quick thoughts on Polkadot today. Just a short video to get the week going. If you're looking for more analysis like this, then check out my Patreon. You'll get a link for it in the description of this video. Come and join us. We've got a Discord server, which I'll show you actually. Let me just drag it across. This is my Discord server here. Loads of things going on that left hand side. A section for pretty much any part of cryptocurrency, metaverse, DeFi, farming and staking. New projects, this is a good section where we find anything that's new. Potential buy, I mean, we looked at JPEG. We all got on, well, quite a few of us got onto that idea a while back, and some people have made some good money already. So it is a paid option, $10 a month, but if you want to be part of a nice community where there's no scammers, and we also have an education bit down here, so something you could also come and check out. But like I say, that's going to do it for today. Hopefully we start to get some bullish price action soon, and then the market does start to bounce. So that's going to do it. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.